Hello, Python enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the world of list comprehension in Python. List comprehension is a powerful technique for creating lists in a concise and elegant manner. Let's jump right in. To kick things off, let's start with a straightforward example. We'll generate a list of squares for numbers ranging from 0 to 9 using list comprehension. In this example, we utilize list comprehension by iterating over each element x in the range from 0 to 9. For each x, we calculate its square using x times 2. Finally, we print the resulting list of squares. Now, let's explore how to incorporate conditionals into list comprehension. We'll create a list of even numbers from 0 to 9. Here, we use list comprehension along with a conditional statement. We iterate over each number x in the range from 0 to 9 and include it in the list only if it's divisible by 2 without any remainder. It's even. List comprehension can also be nested. Let's create a list of tuples representing coordinates x, y from two separate lists. In this example, we have two for loops nested within each other. The outer loop iterates over x values from 0 to 2, while the inner loop iterates over y values from 0 to 2. This results in a list of tuples representing all possible combinations of coordinates. Let's move on to a more advanced example. Here, we'll filter words longer than 3 characters from a sentence and create a list. In this example, we split the given sentence into words and then use list comprehension to filter out words with a length greater than 3 characters. Finally, we print the resulting list. And there you have it. List comprehension is a versatile and powerful feature in Python, allowing you to write concise and expressive code. We've covered the basics, explored some advanced techniques, and seen how to use conditionals and nesting effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pythonic content. Until next time, happy coding.